Hello and welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy lemon cake. Now this recipe was inspired from a gentleman that I had got the recipe years ago as an older gentleman in South Carolina, and he lived next door to my grandmother's house. And we had lost a family member, and he had brought this cake over and wrapped up in tinfoil as a gift for us, you know, just because he didn't know what to say, and it was just a nice gesture. And what he would do was make this cake in a bundt pan, and then once it was done, he'd wrap it up in tinfoil and he would put them in the freezer. So if somebody had a hardship, or let's say a Sunday lunch after church, he would bring these cakes out and share with everybody. And I just wanted to share this recipe, and I have all these lemons that I had taken the peels off, and I just didn't want them to go to waste, so I thought of this video. And the reason why I use the peels is I'm making limoncello. I've got about 2 more days of my lemons sitting in the alcohol before I mix the simple sugar mixture in with it. And if you're interested on that video, you can see the link below, and I show you how to make limoncello. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy to make. Okay, so here's our finished lemon cake. After you've poured the liquid on it, you want to let the liquid stay inside the bundt cake pan with the cake and let it absorb all the liquid up. And then I take it, flip it over on a plate, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator, let it cool down if you want to eat it that night. But like I said, it's better to put it in like a tin foil, put it in the freezer, and then let it thaw for a great gift to give. And this is my son.
Hey.
And he's going to give us a try of this cake.
Jeez. That's good.
Is it lemony?
Yeah, it's got like a fresh lemon taste.
Good.
It's really light. Kind of like fluffy. It's not like too overwhelming.
Good deal. Now, doesn't that bundt cake look yummy? Now, that was so simple to make. When you put it in a freezer, it condensates a little bit on it, the ice crystals, and then when it thaws out, it gets real moist. So that's the way I like it. I don't even like to serve the cake when it's hot or room temperature. I like to throw it in a freezer and let it freeze and then let it thaw out, and it's just so super moist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked our video, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Hit the bell. You know the drill. Anyways, have a blessed day.